Is that good popcorn?
Yeah.
Whoa. You're crazy. Crazy boy. You like up there? Wow. That looks really cool on the camera.
We found a good deal one year.
Can you see it? Yeah, it looks better on there. Here we go for the train. Walk down.
Wait, walk.
Down here. Look at the decorations. Oh, it's pretty dark on here. Hey, Ethan, are you ready?
Just wait right out here for them. Mom, we're the playground.
Okay, kids, if you're good.
No, she let him go.
Hey, come on.
Okay.
You're good. That's a big tree, hey?
Okay, Sarah, you think Sarah have one by the tree with you?
Hey, go stand with Sarah.
Go, Sarah.
Do you see the melted snowman?
Yeah, it's really
Yeah.
cool. Here, I can do a feeling.
Yeah. Yeah. Melted snowman. Yeah. Do you see the reindeer flying with Santa?
Oh, that's so cool.
Over the houses?
Wait, what's up in this house?
Look, it's flying, Sarah.
That's cool, hey?
That's
The kids get over there. Look at them.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Are they
look.
skating?
Mom, look. They're skating, Mom. They're
Oh,
skating.
yeah, they're
And look at, they're
skating.
doing that. Is it cool?
Oh, yeah, they're making snow angels. And these guys are chopping trees
Wait,
down.
Mom.
Oh, look at that. They're skiing.
Look at.
And the cool thing is the one side goes faster than the other.
Go down.
Oh, of course. You see how?
Sarah, look on there. Up there. That's cool, hey?
And there you go.
Or no, nearly 6:13, is it? Nearly?
Santa's skating is terrible.
I have to recommend
Mom, during this skate This is reindeer skate.
What?
Reindeer skate.
Oh yeah, one's a reindeer, one's Santa,
One's
and an elf.
Oh no, good. Pretty cool, eh, baby?
Hey Ethan, look, it's real dirt and a real track inside a building.
I know, it's so cool, right?
Is that cool? It smells like a train too.
Because it used to be a real train.
Yeah, it is a real one.
It
It's
used
inside.
to be on the track somewhere. It's dead now. And since it hasn't been on the track, it hasn't been running for a while, it's probably just gonna go.
Yeah. Are you getting it? We got a bunch of sticks. Honey sticks.
You got it, Ethan?
Hey kids,
Time.
what are you eating?
Icing.
You're eating icing. Why is there icing on that?
Hot.
It was
I
the
saved
icing
it.
bag. She ripped it open.
Shouldn't it be on the house?
No.
Huh.
Well, with how many decorations you have, I think it probably should have.
It didn't come
There's
with that many.
the other little thing of icing. She should squeeze it on there.
We're smashing it.
Hey Ethan,
Hey,
what are you eating?
just
What's all over your shirt? That was brand new an hour ago.
4 hours ago.
Still.
4.
Ethan, probably when you're eating right over that spot with chicken sauce, don't defend yourself.
So how come you guys got lights in here? I thought the power's out.
There are such thing as generators, you know.
The generator gave us light
Yep.
after 2 days of darkness.
This is the 3rd day.
Or 3 days of darkness.
Well, we have had the generator on the whole time.
It's like 2.5 days of darkness.
Well, we turned it on after half day.
Now, 2.5
All right,
days.
guys. Now it's a race to see who can smash the house faster.
Okay. I'm thirsty.
All right.
Without smashing the table.
Remember, it is a glass table under here,
Oh,
so
jeez. I forgot that.
it's tempered. You hit it as hard as you want.
No.
Your hand will go first. Don't worry about
Ow.
it. 3, 2,
Well, one is smaller,
3.
so...
1, go!
I win.
Ethan got the first hole. You did the first real damage.
I win.
I don't know. You still got walls standing. I don't know if we can call this yet. I guess Ethan had the first
Hey,
hole and
don't
was
make
the
too
first
much of
with
a
the walls
mess.
down.
with this.
Yeah, but he still has a whole wall left.
Doesn't matter.
We
I-
don't
I-
want it
I
that
wasn't-
broken.
Easy. What are these kitty cat sized pieces? Now I gotta start eating it.
Perfect.
Or, oh,
You guys should have made me a gluten-free one while you were at it.
oh, they did, but we ate it on the way home.
Yeah, right.
You're calling me a liar now?
Yeah. So now
You're a
who's cleaning
terrible
that
wife.
up?
Mom, Dad, can I have this?
Look at
Dad,
your
can we
hand.
eat some of the gingerbread houses?
Look
Yes,
what you
eat
did
it.
to me. Why do you do that to me? Get mad at me and hit my thumb when I'm sleeping?
Mm-hmm.
Take a hammer? What kind of awful wife are you?
Okay. The dad's bad. Bad dad?
Treats. That was fun.
What was it?
Mm-hmm.
Look at Ethan's plate here.
That he made in 2016.
When you were 4?
So I'm right, he was born 2012. That's, wait, 6 years ago now?
No,
Yeah, that's old news.
2 years ago.
No, it's time about when he was born.
Oh. I thought we were talking about the plate still.
Conversation changed.
Yeah, the plate was 2 years
I can't
old.
hear anything over chewing.
Over candy. That's not gluten.
It's contaminated. Well, if you like fondant, I have some fondant treats somewhere in here. Oh, here's one of them. Here.
Who made it?
Me.
Out of what?
Fondant.
Yeah, but like they
The
had
fondant.
some pre-made or
Yeah, the fondant.
no, you can't even show
Ellie
it.
had fondant.
Have you lost weight, Santa? Just a little bit. We did the Santa Shuffle this year. I did some running, so yes, I've lost a little bit of weight. But I have to because Christmas, I get to eat all those yummy cookies, and that helps put on a little bit of weight. So it's a great time. He wants a big hug. Well, I'm a big hugger. Well, I'll even give you one. Merry Christmas!
Who is that? Who's over there? Who's over there? Is it Santa?
And I think in my bag here I might even have some early gifts. If I can get a helper to come and give me a hand.
Do you want to go with him?
I'm pretty
Veronica.
sure.
He knows your name. Yeah, go there for a picture.
You need a system.
I do. That's for you.
Or Santa will go to you.
You're very welcome. And Ethan, I think I've got one in here for you. I think I got a little dot on this one. Let me see. There we go. Look at that. That is just an early gift just for
Say
you.
thank you.
For coming to church. So we got some candy canes for everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you, Santa.
You're welcome. Candy canes for you guys.
Are you eating broccoli? And the cake? And the cupcake?
Can't walk in it.
Open it. Oh, is he gone?
No,
Oh, he's still there. But he might have left outside.
That's true.
Yeah?
I can go. So what is it?
Yeah, well, I don't know.
I don't know.
I'll open it for you.
No.
Spanish.
Can't open it.
They used to make World War I for glasses. We're gonna have them.
Whatever it is, it's for you.
Try not to make a big mess. I don't want to make a big mess.
Is it for me, Ethan? What did you get? That's gotta be for me. I think it had the wrong name on it. Yeah, that's totally mine. Wrong name. That's for me.
I like this.
Yeah.
Playtime. Thank you.
Thank you. I
This
think
is
that was
awesome.
for me.
No.
I'm pretty
No.
sure.
No. No.
I think it meant to say mom.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Are you gonna make me something?
You don't have to.
I'd like a
You don't have
keychain.
to go back to school.
It's make bacon.
That's cool, Ethan.